My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. We're still in the same Honda Accord. We disconnected the battery. Now we're going to do the code. You just turn the key forward. The car is going to ask you for a code. Then you put the code in. So we made a mistake, and now we get to start from the very beginning. And as you can see, our code is running. Just be mindful when you go online to look for your code. Do not do anywhere that's going to charge you. Look for Honda Accord websites, and all you need to do is get your serial number and then put your code in. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And this will be in a video that has 3 other parts to it to show you how to get to this part. Thank you.